So now we will discuss the about the topic is design process. So it is a unit number 1 CADM subject. It was the very important topic. Okay. So design process, it is a way of figuring out what you need to do than doing it. So it is the simple definition of the design process. It is a way of figuring out what you need to do or than doing it. So along the way, you might solve one or more problems or trying to achieve a goal or create something specific. Okay. The first critical step to understand the design process is that it's not about working. So it is in the right way or wrong way. So there are 6 process of design or 6 phases of design. So it is also known as a Shigley method of design process. So the step 1 or phase 1, need, problem definition, synthesis, analysis and optimization, evaluation and presentation. Okay. So simply I will tell the example. So when we go for a pen, so what is the need of pen before going to design a new product? So here we will assume a pen. So what is the need of that pen? And after that we go for a pen means, so what are the problems will be arrives in a pen design, or previously some pens are available, so what are the problems in the previous user pens? So that we will collect in the problem definition. So after the stage 2 problem definition, we go for the stage 3 synthesis process. In this synthesis process, we will finalize the design. We will finalize the synthesis. So what are the materials we have to use? What are the how many materials we have to use? So which process we have to use? So like this we have to decide in this stage 3. At stage 4, analysis and optimization. So we will analyze the above 3 stages, and the optimization means, so we will find out the which process will be easy and optimum for this design. So finally we have to evaluate the design process. It may be a right or wrong. So before and after that we go for the presentation. So after completion of the above 5 stages, we go for the presentation. In this presentation we will explain about the above the stages, 5 stages. So these are the simple figure of the design process of the Shigley model. So first, need, then definition of the problem. So after the synthesis, we go for the analysis and optimization and evaluation. In this evaluation process, the design will be failure means we go for the design will be improved. Yes, the design will be improved means we go for the design changes. Again, it's go for analysis and optimization. Suppose after the evaluation the design will not be improved means the design is impossible. The design will be impossible, we will decline the design. So after the evaluation process we go for the presentation. So this is the simple diagram of the Shigley design process. So the need involves the realization by someone that a problem exists for which some feasible solution to be found. This might be identification of some defects in the current machine, design activity by an engineer, or the perception of a new product marketing opportunity by a salesman. Definition of problem. So definition of problem involves through a specification of the item to be designed. The specification will be generally include functional and physical characteristics, cost, quality, performance and extra. Synthesis. So during the synthesis phase, the design process various preliminary ideas are developed through research of similar product or design in use. Okay, so let us assume a pen. So previously I said the same example. So let you assume a pen. So need. So what is the need of the pen? So the need will be developed from the customers feedback. Okay, so the customer feedback is developed by the salesman and given to the design engineers. So need. So what is the need of the pen? So already many pens are available. We are going for manufacturing a pen means. So what is the need of this design? So that is the need. So definition of problem. So after the choosing of pen design, so we go for the specifications of pen. So what is the height? The grips will be available or not? So what is the height of the refill? So like this. So what is the color of the pen? So like this, the specifications and quality and quantity and cost and performance extras. So these are the definitions of problems, available parameters. Then synthesis. So after definitions of problems, uh, primary designs. So first design of the product. For example, so pen. So many pens are available. So this design of this pen will be developed in the synthesis process. Okay, analysis and optimization. So in this stage, suitability of the specified design constraints. So we have to find the suitability of the specifications and design constraints in this analysis stage. In this optimization, the components and sub-assemblies and subsystems are then synthesized into the final overall system in a similar iterative manner. So optimum solution. In optimization, the optimum solution, which solution was very easy and cost effective and good manufacturing capability. So that is the optimum. So which one is the optimum? So that is the optimization. So if not suitable for this design, it fails to satisfy the constraints. In this analysis and optimization, the product design will be failure. Again, it's go for the evaluation. After the evaluation, it's go for the design improvement. Then evaluation, the assessment or evaluation of the design against the specification established during the problem definition phases is then carried out. The figure shows this evaluation process clearly. So in this presentation, the final phase of the design process, it is the presentation of the design. In this presentation or documentation include the drawings, material specifications, assembly list, and so on.